Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone alarms not working. Now we have a couple of things that we're going to be doing here. So first we're going to go ahead and basically click the action button right here in order for the for this to be alarm instead of silent. And yeah, once that's done, we can go over and head to the alarm. So there are a few things here. First is the sound. And in the sound, you are going to choose at the top haptics. You have to ensure that the haptics is basically chosen to different options here. I chose SOS. And then for the songs or ringtones, you can go ahead and choose any of these. Now, right now, the first thing that I'm seeing here is that it's set to none. What does that mean? It means that my alarm is only set for vibrate and not really any sound that's going to pop up when this is going to. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, say, for example, this option right here, and then close this one, and then make sure that I'm going to go ahead and click the check button. Once it's done, we're going to head over to the settings. And in the settings, we have few things that we're going to be checking. First thing is going to be sounds and haptics. You have to ensure that the ringtone and alerts right here is set to about substantially high volume. If you are going to go ahead and say change with buttons, what's going to happen is that if you're going to be changing it here, just like so, when you are watching, say, movies, for example, it's going to follow that button also for you. So that's not very ideal. Disable that one. And next thing is volume limit. Make sure that you have disabled this also, because what is going to happen if you are going to enable this, it's only going to set the max volume for any sounds, including the alarm, up to that. So 60% in this case. And yeah, once you're done with that one, the next thing or last thing that you are going to do is basically restart it. So I want you to scroll down here and you see that power button right there. I want you to long press that one and you should be given an option to restart your phone. And again, those are ways in order for us to fix iPhone alarm when it's not working here. I hope this video helps you, everyone.